Good day to you students. Today we'll be learning about finding solutions to the quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. As we all studied in previous class, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So to find the solution, that is to find the value of x for this quadratic equation, x is equal to, we will make use of the coefficients, that is a, b and c. To find the value of x, we will make use of a, b and c in the quadratic formula, and that quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this equation or this expression is the quadratic formula using which we can find the roots of quadratic equation. Here in this case you can see plus or minus. So that means this expression can be split into two parts, that is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and also minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 1 plus gives one root of the equation, minus b minus will give another root of the quadratic equation. So now to see how it works, let us look at example 11 from the chapter. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. So let x be one positive integer z. Z means integers. So since they are talking about consecutive odd integers, then x plus 2 will be the second required number. So now the sum of their squares, that means x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 290. So now opening the brackets and simplifying, we get x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 290. So this implies 2x square plus 4x minus 286 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We can further simplify it by dividing by 2. Divide the whole equation by 2. We get the equation reduces to x square, because 2x square by 2 cancels x square. Similarly, plus second term will be 2x minus 143, which is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which we have to solve using quadratic formula. So first let us write down the coefficients. A is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is a, and a is equal to 1. And then b is equal to 2. And lastly we have c is equal to minus 143. So now let us find use or substitute these values of a, b and c into the quadratic formula to find the value of x. We know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this is equal to value of b, first minus value of b is 2 plus or minus under root b square, that is 2 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 143 whole divided by 2 into 1. So further simplifying, we get minus 2 plus or minus under root 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus 4 into 143, 4 3s are 12, 1 4 4s are 16, 1 17, 1 4 1s are 4 1 5, 572 whole divided by 2 1s are 2. So this implies minus 2 plus or minus under root 576 divided by 2. So square root of 576, as we know, is 24. So 24 So the whole expression will reduce to minus 2 plus or minus 24 by 2. So now we got two values for x, that is x is equal to minus 2 plus 24 by 2 and x is equal to minus 2 minus 24 by 2. So solving them both, we get x equal to minus 24 plus 2, 22 by 2, x equal to 11, and x is equal to minus 24 minus 2 minus 26 by 2 minus 13. We were told in our question that the numbers are positive integers, so we can easily discard x equal to minus 13. Therefore, our number is x is equal to 11, and another number is x plus 2, which is equal to 11 plus 2, which is equal to 13. So 11 and 13 are the required positive odd integers, sum of whose squares is 290. So that is the solution. I am leaving example 12 as your homework and straight away going to solve example 13. The question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist using the quadratic formula. So here they have given us three different equations and we have to find the roots of the equations using quadratic formula, and if they exist, that means some of the quadratic equations do not have any real roots. So first, let us start with the first example, that is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. So first let us write down a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 2. We know our quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So putting the values, which is equal to minus, b is minus 5 plus or minus under root minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2. Because a is 3, c is 2. Whole divided by 2 into 3. Now this is equal to minus into minus 5 plus or minus under root minus 5 square 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 divided by 6. So this will be equal to 5 plus or minus under root 1. 25 minus 24 is 1 divided by 6. So which is nothing but 5 plus or minus 1 by 6. So this implies x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 and x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 6. So here x equal to 6 by 6, 1. This is one of the solutions, and x is equal to 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. This is the another root of the given quadratic equation. Second sub-question. In second sub-question, we have x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 5. So now we know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus 4 plus or minus under root b square is 16 minus 4 into ac. 4 5s are 20, 20 into 1, 20. 16 minus 20 by 2 into 1, which is 2. So on simplification, we get minus 4 plus or minus under root minus 4, 2. So here square root of minus 4 is an imaginary number. So that is why therefore since as b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots or the solutions, the roots are imaginary. Imaginary. You learn about these imaginary roots in your higher classes, but there we will brush across this concept in your next topic, that is nature of roots, from this chapter. So next we have third equation, which is 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So writing A is 2, B is equal to minus 2 root 2 and C is equal to 1. So now putting the values in the equation, x is equal to minus of minus 2 root 2 plus or minus under root. Remember children, I am skipping the process of writing the formula, but it is necessary that you write the formula each and every time. So plus or minus b square, that is minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1, 4ac, whole divided by 2 into 2, because a is 2, 2a. So now this is equal to minus into minus plus 2 root 2 plus or minus under root 2 into root 2 whole square, 4 2s are 8. It is 8 minus 8 whole divided by 4. So 8 minus 8 is 0. The expression reduces to 2 root 2 by 4. Plus or minus 0 has no effect. So as x is equal to 2 root 2 by 4. 2s are 1s are. So the solution is, the root is root 2 by 2. This is the solution to the third sub question, which can further be simplified as root 2, 1 by root 2. Therefore, x is equal to x is equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Because plus 0, 1 root, minus 0, 1 root. Same thing. The equation has real and equal roots. This is the solution. Example 14 from the textbook. Find the roots of the following equation, in which the first sub question is x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0. First, let us convert this expression into our quadratic equation. So here denominators are 1 and x, so the LCM is x. So here from denominator, what is missing? To get x, we have to multiply it by x. X into x. Here multiply by 1 into 1 is equal to 3. So x into x, x square plus 1 into 1 is equal to 3. Now transpose. We get x square plus 1 is equal to 3x. So on transposing, once again we get x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. The same expression, on taking LCM and rearranging some terms, we got a quadratic equation. So now let us solve this quadratic equation using our quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to 1 once again. So since we know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is equal to minus of minus 3, because b is minus 3, plus or minus under root minus 3 whole square plus 4 into 1 into 1 whole divided by 2 into 1. So this is equal to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus 9 plus 4 divided by 2. Sorry, make a slight correction. It is b square minus 4ac. So 9 minus 4. So this is equal to 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Therefore, now splitting the solutions, x is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2. These are the required solutions for the given quadratic equation. We have another such example, that is sub-question 2 of the same example, that is 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. So now, taking the LCM once again, the LCM is x into x minus 2. So cross multiplying, we get x minus 2 minus x is equal to 3. X minus x cancels each other. What we have is minus 2 by x square minus 2x is equal to 3. So on transposing and simplifying, we get minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 6x. So this implies the equation is 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is our required quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation only. Now we will be finding its solutions. So write down a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 2. So we know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus of minus b, that is minus of minus 6 plus or minus under root minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2a. So this is equal to minus of minus 6 plus or minus under root 6 square 36 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 divided by 2 3s are 6. Now further simplifying, we get 6 plus or minus under root 36 minus 24 is equal to 12 whole divided by 6. Now root 12 can be simplified to the form which is equal to 6 plus or minus can be simplified as 4 into 3, so 2 root 3 by 6. So our x values, our required x values now will take up the form x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 by 6 and x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 3 by 6. So now to simplify it further, I am taking 2 common from the numerators. What remains inside is 3 plus root 3 by 6, and similarly on the same side, on the other side, taking 2 common, we get 3 minus root 3 divided by 6. 2 1s are 3s are 2 1s are 3s are. So x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 3 is one solution, and x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 3 is another required solution for the given equation. Now the 15th solved example, a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. So let the speed of the stream be x. Let the speed of stream be x. Now, therefore, the speed of the boat upstream. Going upstream means going against the flow of water. So that means let the speed of the boat. Speed of boat upstream is 18 minus x km ph, because speed of the boat in still water is 18 km ph. So subtracting that speed going upstream, the speed is cut down. So 18 minus x km ph, and the same speed of the boat downstream, that is along the flow of the water. Going downstream, the speed is increased by 18 plus x km ph, kilometer per hour. Also, they have told us that the time taken for the motor boat. So now the distance traveled. The distance traveled is 24 kilometers. So now time t while going upstream, the difference between the time going upstream and downstream is 1 hour. So the difference in time up minus time d is equal to 1. So time taken to travel upstream is distance by speed upstream minus the same distance by speed downstream, which is equal to 1. So distance is 24, speed upstream is 18 minus x, minus distance is once again 24 and speed downstream is 18 plus x, which is equal to 1. As the speed increases, the time taken decreases. That is why upstream time taken upstream is always greater than time taken to travel downstream. So now taking the LCM and simplifying this equation, we get 18 minus x into 18 plus x is equal to 1. So the whole thing cross multiplying, 24 into 18 plus x minus 18 plus x. So on transposing, 18 minus 18 cancels each other. We have 24 into 2x is equal to 1 into 18 square minus x square, because here you can see a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is always equal to a square minus b square. So here we get 24 into 2, 48x is equal to 1 into 18 square minus x square. 18 square is equal to, so the expression can be written as 48x is equal to 324 minus x square. On transposing RHS to LHS, we get x square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which we are supposed to solve. So now using the quadratic formula, we get x is equal to, b is 48. So minus 48 plus or minus under root 48 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 324, because c is minus 324, whole divided by 2 into 1. So which is equal to minus 48 plus or minus, so now 48 square is 2304, minus into minus plus 4 into 324 is 1296, whole divided by 2. So this is equal to minus 48 plus or minus under root 4 plus 6 0 1 0 9 1 0 1 2 3 5 6 3 36 divided by 2. So 3600, square root of 3600 is minus 60 plus 60. So 48 plus or minus 60 divided by 2. So this is the roots of the equation. On simplifying, we get x is equal to minus 48 plus 60 by 2 and x is equal to minus 48 minus 60 by 2. So this implies x is equal to 60 minus 48 is 12 by 2 and x is equal to minus 60 minus 48 is minus 108 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. X is equal to 6 is one of the roots and x is equal to 2 ones are 5 are 4 are. Minus 54 is another root of the equation. Remember, in the beginning of the question, we had assumed that the speed of the stream is x. So when we talk about speed is always positive. So we can easily let go of the negative solution of the equation. Therefore, x is equal to 6 km per hour is the speed of the stream. This is our required result. This is our required result. Now let us, without any further ado, let us go to the exercise 4.3, in which the first main is regarding solving the quadratic equation or finding the roots of the quadratic equation using the completing the square method. Since this concept has been deleted from your syllabus due to the pandemic situation, I am going to leave this first main as your homework. So find the roots of the given quadratic equations either by factorization or by using quadratic formula. You don't have to use the completing the square method. So next question, find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula. So that's your homework. The second main is your homework. Now the third question, find the roots of the following equation. The third question, that is, first one, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So just like we did before, finding the LCM is x. So this becomes x square minus 1 is equal to 3. On further simplification, we get x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. How it came, you can try to simplify it on your own. Pause the video and simplify it. So now we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. So putting the values in the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root b square, that is minus b whole square minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 whole divided by 2 into 1. So this is equal to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus under root 9 minus into minus plus 4 into 1 into 1 is 4 divided by 2. So this is equal to 3 plus or minus 9 plus 4 is root 13 by 2. So now splitting up the roots, we get x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. These are the required solutions for the given question. Now the second sub question of the third main is also same. Find the roots of the equation 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So first, finding the LCM, the whole thing can be rewritten as cross multiplying and finding the LCM. We can write it as x plus 4 into x minus 7 and on the numerator x minus 7 minus x minus 4. It will be in brackets. On opening the brackets, minus plus minus x minus into plus 4 minus 4, which is equal to 11 by 30. So x minus x cancels each other. What remains is minus 11 whole divided by x square plus 4x minus 7x, which is minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Since 11 and 11 are on the numerators on either sides of the equation, they cancel each other. So by cross multiplying, we get minus 1 into 30 because it was minus 11. So on cross multiplying, we get minus 1 into 30, 30 to this side and the equation to this side, which is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. So now the equation can be rewritten as minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. On rewriting, we get x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Now finding the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. So now to find the value of x using the quadratic formula, minus into minus 3 because it is minus b. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root minus 3 whole square b square minus 4 into 1 into 2, that is 4ac whole divided by 2 into 1. So this is equal to minus of minus plus 3 plus or minus under root minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 into 1 into 2, 8 divided by 2. So this is equal to, this will be equal to 3 plus or minus under root 1 by 2. So now splitting the factors, x equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2 because root 1 is 1 itself. So now simplifying we get x is equal to 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2 2. This is one of the roots and x is equal to 3 minus 1 2, 2 by 2 1. This is the second root of the given quadratic equation. Moving ahead to question number 4. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. For the solution, let his present age be x. His present age is x. So 3 years ago, the age is x minus 3. That is, if you are 15 this year, then 3 years ago your age was 15 minus 3, that is 12 years. Similarly, 5 years from now, 5 years in the future from now, age is x plus 5. If you are 15 now, then after 5 years your age will be 20 years. So 3 years ago the age is x minus 3 and 5 years from now the age is x plus 5. So they have told us that the sum of the reciprocals of these ages. So taking the reciprocals 1 by x minus 3, summing them with 1 by x plus 5. The sum of the reciprocals of the ages is equal to 1 by 3. So find the present age, that is find the value of x. So we know that since from previous examples we have seen that these kinds of questions can be converted into quadratic equations. So let us do that. Taking the LCM, that is directly multiplying the denominators, we get x minus 3 into x plus 5. So now cross multiplying, here we get, because if x minus 3 into x plus 5 is the denominator, then what is missing here? X plus 5 is missing. So x plus 5 plus, because numerator has sum. And here on the other side we get x minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. So further simplification we get, this is x square, on opening the brackets in the denominator, x into x, x square, minus 3x plus 5x we get plus 2x minus 15. So here opening the brackets in the numerator we have x plus 5 plus x minus 3, plus into plus, plus into minus, minus is equal to 1 by 3. So this implies x plus x, 2x, 5 minus 3 minus plus 2, 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now let us cross multiply on either sides of the equation. We will cross multiply. We get 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. Since we are multiplying by 1, the same thing will remain. So on opening the brackets we get 6x plus 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. On transposing, our equation becomes x square, 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. So now we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 21. So now let us put the values in the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Putting the values, minus b is minus 4, so minus of minus 4 plus or minus under root b square minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 21. Since they are negative, I am writing them in the brackets, divided by 2 into 1. So which is equal to minus into minus plus 4 plus or minus under root. Minus 4 whole square is 16. Minus into minus plus. So 21 4s are 48. Divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 4 1s are 4. Sorry, it is not 48. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 84. 4 into 21 is 84. So now we have 4 plus or minus under root. 84 plus 16, 90, 100. 100 by 2. We know that square root of 100 is 10. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus 10 by 2. Now splitting the solutions, x is equal to 4 plus 10 by 2 and x is equal to 4 minus 10 by 2. So 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 by 2 is 7. One solution is x is equal to 7 and x is equal to 4 minus 10 minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 is x is equal to minus 3. Since as we assumed previously that x is the age and age can never be negative, so we can discard x is equal to minus 3. So Rahman's present age is, the age is 7 years. So to verify 3 years ago that is x minus 3. 3 years ago his age was 4. 7 minus 3, 4. So 1 by 4 plus 5 years from now his age will be 12. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 by 12. So now taking the LCM, 12 and 4. LCM is 2, 6, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 2s are 12. So LCM is 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 1s are 12. So multiplying the same thing with numerator, 3 1s are 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1. 1 into 1, 1. So it is 4 by 12. 1s are 3s are. So the answer is 1 by 3. So the reciprocals of his ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now, the sum equals 1 by 3. So our solution is correct. This is the verification part which you don't have to do in the examination. This is just to ensure that your answer is correct. So that's all for today. In the next class, we'll continue solving the exercise 4.3 which has about 7 more problems. So thank you.